Hello everyone, welcome to this example where we are given a boat B is 4 km from lighthouse L on a bearing of 320 degrees. Okay, so the diagram has shown us the bearing already from L. That's why the north arrow here is being drawn from L. Okay, and the ending line is BL, meaning BL, so that when if I were to draw a bearing, I will have to start from the north arrow and end off at this ending line. That's why the bearing of B from L is 320 degrees here. So now, part A, find the bearing of L from B. Since now it's going to be from B currently do not have a north arrow being drawn there. We would have to draw the north arrow at point B. And LB will be the ending line. It's still the same, this line. And so, starting from the north arrow, in a clockwise direction, draw the arrow until it reaches the ending line, BL. And that will be the bearing that we are required to find. Okay? So for this particular question, then we will have to do some simple math. Okay? Please take note that since we already have 320 there, will we be able to get this black color angle here? Yes, we can. It is 40 degrees, right? Angles at a point. So, angle YLB. So for part A, do indicate the working. Angle YLB is equals to 360 degree minus 320 degree. Angles at a point. And because I know this is 40, then by interior angle, the bearing of L from B will then be equals to 180 degree minus away my 40 degree to give me 140 degree. Okay, this one is because of the interior angles property. All right, part B, there's a boat Y which is due north of L as indicated in the question itself. So I'm going to tap on my this here. That will be my point Y. And it is also due east of B. What does this mean? Well, this means that if I were to draw a line now, this particular line that I've just drawn this will be 90 degree because east and north, east, southwest is all 90 degree to each other. And then I would see something. I see a right angle triangle. Yes? So this triangle BYL, which I'm going to just do a rough sketch here. It's a right angle triangle, 40 degrees here. So this means that if I were to find if I would want to find the distance Ly, and knowing that this is 4 kilometer here, I could tap on my knowledge of Tuakaso. Yeah, with the angle, with reference to this angle 40 degrees, YL will be my adjacent side. BL will be my hypotenuse. So with A and H, I will be using my cosine ratio. So cosine 40 degrees is equals to A over H. My Ly over 4. Thereafter, I just need to multiply 4 by both sides. Then I will be able to get my answer for Ly. So therefore, my Ly will be equals to 3.06417, 3.06 kilometer to 3SF. 3 significant figures. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.